massive Victron North America tour.
A very important part of our business is training.
East Coast, West Coast, South Coast, Canada.
Get a trailer, get on the road. We're touring here to train people, to train our customers, which can be end users, they can be installers, professional installers.
Before any of that though, at the start of 2021, in the US state of Indiana, a brand new 44-foot Keystone Fusion toy hauler was delivered, ready for fit out. Not only will this be the home for some of the Victron team, but also show as wide a range of Victron energy equipment and setups as possible.
We'll have a total of 8 systems on board the trailer and also on mobile carts in the back. These systems are for various markets. For example, we have a small RV system, we have a large RV system, we'll have an energy storage system that can be used in an on-grid or off-grid application. We'll have a servo system that will show you the connectivity possibilities with all of the equipment around it. We'll have a marine integration display, and that's purpose-built for MFDs, so those are multifunctional displays that are usually on board modern boats. A VRM, so that's our Victron remote management system, and also assistance training. So a lot of these systems will go cross markets. We're basically covering them all. That will be off-grid, on-grid, marine, RV, the sprinter market. So basically all of the markets that we serve, these systems will be available for.
The team building the trailer and the labs are not all Victron staff.
I am a Victron Energy Ambassador, and I primarily teach other people how to install Victron Energy components, other solar components. And just involved with Victron Energy on this project to get this show on the road behind me. But in what I do is I teach other people how to build DIY campers. And so it's really nice to be able to get somebody using a product that's high quality. It's professional grade quality, but they're also able to install it, program it themselves. It's pretty empowering to be able to get somebody else to install something that at one point in time was way over their head.
So it'd be cool to show people how easy it is to live off-grid. I live off-grid in northwest Nebraska using Victron equipment, and it's kind of cool to show people how it can be done, and it's easy. And renewable energy doesn't mean that you have to turn the lights off early. It's that there's enough power to do most anything that you'd like to do.
There's going to be 2,000 watts of solar installed on the roof of this trailer. There are 2 different styles of panels for a couple of reasons. First of all is to demonstrate that there are 2 different styles of panels. One is a rigid panel and the other is a flexible panel. Those are 2 different choices that you're going to make when you're sourcing your solar panels. So first of all, the physical difference between the 2 panels, but also there seems to be a lot of conversation around the production or the efficiency of a flexible panel versus a rigid panel. And we'd like to display that. So for instance, we're going to put the flexible array on one solar charge controller and the rigid array on a second controller, and we can compare in real time the production difference between the panels.
Groups that register, we divide them up in years of experience, whether they're professional installers or DIYers. Like that, everybody gets their own share of information. It stays interesting.
We'll be making a loop around the entire US. So if you were to draw an oval around the United States, we're basically going all the way around it. Also Western and Eastern Canada. So we're doing our best to cover as many locations as possible in the US and Canada.
And the whole purpose is to train people on equipment, as well as just let people know what equipment's available. There's a whole bunch of Victron products, and it's going to be good to be able to get those products in front of people so that they know what's available, what it's used for, and how they all interact with each other.
It was really nice to see everything kind of right in front of you. In our world, all the components are in many different spots, so we never really get to see the whole system in front of us. So it's really cool to come out here and see it all on a wall and get to see it all at once.
I'm a yacht captain, and looking forward to, if I see it on new vessels coming out, some of the new technology, I want to be familiar with it. Or if I have any clients or customers that want to upgrade or change out some of their power systems, it's nice to learn about this new technology.
You get some feedback. We're not just here to tell people how it works, but also to get some feedback on how they think it should work, how we can improve the product, both hardware and software wise.
An event like this for any kind of product line is invaluable to me, because I'm used to looking at PDF spec sheets, images, PowerPoints, webinars, and it helps to be hands-on and get a good scale for what the product really looks and feels like.
The exciting thing about Victron is that they're constantly innovating, constantly creating new products, and updating, their existing products to work with all of the newer things. You can't say that about a lot of other companies, and they really take the time and put it into their products so that everybody has a good user experience.
The whole point of the tour is to teach people how to use the equipment in an interactive, real-world environment. There's a dedicated syllabus where installers as well as end users can learn about the components and how to use them together in a system, and the tour continues around Northern America for another 5 months. If you simply want to come and have a look around the labs and chat to the team, there are a number of open days planned too.
You're going to learn a lot about things that you didn't know, and it's going to be definitive knowledge, right? You're not scrolling through a forum trying to pick out what makes sense and what's accurate and what isn't. You're getting it directly from the horse's mouth. So, if you're interested, if it's something that you're thinking about, I highly recommend for you to come out. Great people and a lot of great products, and you're going to learn.
Just click on the training tour link at the top of the Victron Energy website, where there is more information, what is covered in the syllabus, as well as all the dates and locations and how to register.